Road signs determine whether you pass or fail your driving test, and knowing these 50 core road signs puts you on the fast track to passing. Let's begin. Identify this traffic sign. A. No stopping. B. No waiting. Correct. This is a no stopping sign. Guess this road sign. A. No turns. B. No U-turns. Well done. This is the no U-turn sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Give way to traffic. B. Give way to oncoming traffic. Exactly. This sign tells drivers to give way to traffic. This road sign is A. Controlled parking zone. B. Parking place. Nicely done. This is the designated parking place sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of 30 miles per hour limit. B. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Correct. This sign shows the legal minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Guess this road sign. A. Mini roundabout. B. Roundabout. Well noticed. This is the mini roundabout sign. This traffic sign is A. No right turn. B. No U-turns. Exactly. This sign prohibits vehicular traffic from making right turns. Identify this road sign. A. No stopping. B. No waiting. Nicely done. This is the no waiting sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Pedestrians prohibited. B. Zebra crossing. Correct. This is a pedestrians prohibited sign. Guess this road sign. A. No motor vehicles except solo motorcycles. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. Well spotted. This is the motor vehicles prohibited sign. This road sign is A. One-way traffic. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Exactly. This is a one-way traffic sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No U-turns. B. No left turn. Nicely done. This sign prohibits vehicular traffic from making left turns. What is this road sign? A. National speed limit applies. B. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Correct. This is the national speed limit applies sign. This traffic sign is A. Low arch bridge ahead. B. Height restriction. Well noticed. This sign alerts drivers to the legal height limit for vehicles. Identify this traffic sign. A. Part-time traffic signals ahead. B. Standard traffic light. Exactly. This is a standard traffic light sign. Guess this road sign. A. Loose chippings. B. Uneven road. Well done. This is a loose chipping sign. This road sign is A. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. B. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. Correct. This is a maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Motor vehicles prohibited. B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Nicely done. This is the solo motorcycles prohibited sign. Guess this road sign. A. Series of bends ahead. B. Double bend first left. Exactly. This sign warns drivers of a series of bends ahead. This traffic sign is A. Risk of grounding ahead. B. Towed caravans prohibited. Well noticed. This is the towed caravans prohibited sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Low arch bridge ahead. B. Height restriction. Correct. This is a low arch bridge ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. Nicely done. This sign prohibits ridden horses in the area. Guess this road sign. A. Soft verges. B. Vehicles may park partially on the verge. Exactly. This permits drivers to park partially on the verge. Identify this traffic sign. A. Lorries prohibited. B. Goods vehicles overweight prohibited. Well noticed. This is the lorries prohibited sign. This road sign is A. Turn left ahead. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Correct. This is a turn left ahead sign. This traffic sign is A. Horse-drawn vehicles. B. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. Nicely done. This is the horse-drawn vehicles prohibited sign. Guess this road sign. A. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. B. Goods vehicles prohibited. Exactly. This is the end of prohibition of goods vehicles sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of 20 miles per hour zone. B. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. Well noticed. This is the entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Speed camera. B. Speed camera with 30 miles per hour reminder. Correct. This is a speed camera sign. What is this road sign? A. Turn left ahead. B. Keep left. Nicely done. This is the keep left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Stop. Children crossing ahead. B. Children going to school. Exactly. This is a stop, children crossing ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Clearance warning sign. B. Low arch bridge ahead. Well noticed. It is the clearance warning sign. This traffic sign is A. Route to the left. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Correct. This is the vehicular traffic must turn left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Parking for disabled badge holders only. B. Handicapped accessible. Nicely done. This is the parking for disabled badge holders only sign. Guess this road sign. A. Buses and coaches prohibited. B. Buses prohibited. Exactly. This sign prohibits buses in this area. This road sign is A. Stop before crossing. Police ahead. B. Stop children crossing. Well noticed. That is the stop before crossing, police ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only. B. Route for cycles only. Correct. This is a route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only sign. Guess this road sign. A. Parking place. B. Vehicles may park wholly on the verge. Nicely done. This is the vehicles may park wholly on the verge sign. What is this road sign? A. Leave motorway at next exit. B. Bend to left. Exactly. This sign tells drivers to leave the motorway at the next exit. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of controlled zone. B. End of temporary restrictions. Well noticed. That is the end of temporary restrictions sign. Guess this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Direction to tourist attraction. Correct. This is a tourist information sign. This traffic sign is A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Nicely done. That is the light signals at a level crossing ahead sign. Which road sign is this? A. Contraflow bus lane with pedal cycles. B. Contraflow bus lane. Exactly. This is the contraflow bus lane sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Overhead electrical wires. B. Electrified overhead cable. Well noticed. It is the overhead electrical wires sign. Guess this road sign. A. Level crossing with gate ahead. B. Level crossing without gate ahead. Correct. This is a level crossing with gate ahead sign. This traffic sign is A. Hump bridge. B. Risk of grounding ahead. Nicely done. That is the risk of grounding ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Crossbuck. B. Target for crossing gate. Exactly. This is a crossbuck sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. A traffic light intended for bicycles. Well noticed. This is a traffic light intended for bicycle sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Correct. This is a wigwag signal sign. What is this road sign? A. No vehicle over indicated length. B. No vehicle over indicated height. Nicely done. That is the no vehicle over indicated height sign. And that wraps up today's video. Make sure to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated with new road sign tutorials, guides, and study materials. Tap the videos on your screen to continue learning. Stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next video.